Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to be taking a look at the coin Chiliz. Before we begin the analysis, if you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you're not a member already, I'll leave a link to our free Telegram group for market updates, so feel free to join that as well. So taking a look at Chiliz, it's currently the 73rd ranked coin. We have a yearly low of 14.5 cents and a yearly high of 83 cents. So if we take a look at the chart currently on TradingView, we're looking at the 1 day time frame here. We can see that we're in a kind of a long-term falling wedge here, and right at the end of March we can see we rejected from that upper trend line again. In the past few days, as Bitcoin has seen a strong sell-off, we can see that we've lost the blue line here, which is the EMA 8, and as soon as that was lost here on the daily time frame, we kind of saw a strong move down, losing the EMA 20 as well, which is the red line here. We're currently fighting to hold on to the EMA 50, which is the brown line, and the brown line here is kind of the one I'm most interested in. We can see historically how the price of this coin has moved around a lot. The EMA 50 has acted as either support or resistance a number of times. We can see in this area here, up here, it was support for a number of days. Here, once it fell below, it then became resistance, rejected a number of times off of this level, and now potentially acting as support again. And actually, if we draw a line across here, this level, it also matches up with the previous resistance level here. So if we can hold this, then a potential confirmed SR flip. So we can see that there's this green line is a previous area of support as well, which is the price we're currently trading at. So for a continued move up, I want to see this hold the EMA 50 on the daily level. If we do lose that, then more than likely we do see a move to the downside. If you're not already holding this coin and you're just looking for an entry and a good price to get into, well, if we run the fib tool from this low here to this high here, we can see actually that this EMA 50 level we're fighting to hold on to is almost ties in here with the 0.5 fib level, which right now is acting as resistance. So we're kind of in a really tight range between the EMA 50 and the 0.5 fib level currently. So if this does continue to act as resistance and we do see a further move to the downside, losing the EMA 50, then the next level I'll be looking for is the 618 fib level for support at around 21.5 cents. So this could be a good area to start looking to buy in for a longer term position. I would ladder some orders though between this level, the 618 and the 786, because there's quite a bit of price action in this area, and we can also see the 786 has acted as good support as well. So I'd be looking to sort of ladder bids between 21.5 cents, 18.5 cents, to give you a good entry in this area here. In terms of a move to the upside, well, if Bitcoin, obviously we are dictated all the time by the movement of Bitcoin, but if that continues to push up and we see new all-time highs here, then the first thing we'd be looking for is a breakout of this long-term falling wedge. So if we could flip this and move up, then we do have resistance at around the 55 cents to 60 cents mark here. There's some strong resistance we then have to flip, and then we could be looking at moving up to test our all-time high in the 94 cents area. That would obviously become strong resistance, but if we can flip that, we'd then be in price discovery mode, and then we could be looking at pushing above the dollar level. It would be nice if we could then flip the dollar level, come back to test that as support, and then push up from there. The fundamentals of this coin are really strong. If you take a look into sort of the companies that are using it, It's a sports-based token. Many of the many Premier League and global football clubs now use this for their fan tokens. So if you're not invested already and you are interested, as I said, a good area would be 21.5 cents to 18.5 cents would be a good area, in my opinion, for a longer term investment. Thanks for watching today, guys. Hope you found this useful, and we will see you on the next video.